welcome back to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea and today I'm going to show you a little simple easy project which would be great for a craft fair or just as a gift for a friend or a colleague, customer gifts, whatever. And I'm going to use this little Opulent Forever Friends paper pack which I received as a birthday gift from Ann Melvin. And anyone who saw the unwrapping of it knows that I absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. And I immediately had the idea to make a fridge magnet using this stamp here. I'm going to go with Night of Navy. Fabulous. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the ink and just splodge in the bit. There's a little bit there, there was a bit. What I'm going to use for my backing is this chipboard out the back of the doily pack. You also get it, I think you still get it. No, you don't get it in dimensionals. I think you used to get it in dimensionals. I'm just wondering whether to make it bigger. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it close to the edge. I'm going to cut it close to the edge like so. And then I think it would look nice with a trim. And then I've got this little cute thing to stick on. I'm going to stick that on. I could have done it a bit more precisely and measured everything better, but it's just a quick idea. This is a lovely little project to do with kids as well. A little bow here of a little taffeta ribbon. Pop that up there. That'd look really cute. So I'm going to stick that up there with a glue dot. There we go. That was a ribbon I just made using my bone folder. I've discovered, not my bone folder, my quilling comb. I've discovered that if you just use your quilling comb, you can make fantastic bows really easy. So there we go. Little fridge magnet. How cute is that?